Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a simple yet super flavorful homestyle dish, stir-fried shredded eggplant. Just look at that. The eggplant is glossy, the colors are beautiful, and you can almost smell that garlicky aroma through the screen. This one is seriously meant for rice. Alright, let's get started. First, wash your eggplants and cut them into shreds. But don't go too thin, otherwise they will just disappear when you stir-fry them. Then cut some green and red peppers into thin strips. That little pop of color really makes the dish look lively. Next, chop a bit of cilantro and slice up some pork. That will give our dish a rich flavor base. For aromatics, we will need some chopped scallions and minced garlic. Once everything is ready, we can start cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok. Add the pork slices and stir-fry until they change the color. Then toss in the scallions and stir until fragrant. Now add in all the shredded eggplant. At first, you will notice the eggplant soaking up all that oil. Don't panic, that's totally normal. Just keep stir-frying on high heat. Once the eggplant softens, it will start releasing some of the oil back into the wok. When the eggplant is just about cooked through, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 10 grams of oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color and dips. Now toss in your green and red peppers. Keep the heat high and stir-fry so the peppers stay crisp and aromatic. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of MSG, and stir until everything is well combined. Finally, add the minced garlic. Give it a quick toss to release the fragrance. And right before you take it off the heat, throw in the chopped cilantro. Give it all one last quick stir. And that's it. We are done. Look at that. The colors, the shine, the aroma. This is what I call a perfect bowl of rice companion dish. One bite of this and you will be completely hooked. Let me taste it for you. Oh wow, this is so good. It's rich, garlicky, and satisfying in the best home-style way. The ingredients are simple, everything is easy to find at any Asian grocery store, and it comes together in no time. You have to try this one at home. Trust me, it will make your rice disappear in 1 minute. Thanks for watching. See you next time.